Welcome everyone. I'm Chef Christy and I am so glad that you're watching today because I have a very special recipe that I want to share with you. This was a recipe that was given to me by my husband's grandmother. She was such a sweet lady and this is her famous strawberry pie. And when I make this pie, I think of her, I think of all the family gatherings that we used to have and just the special time. And it's one of those recipes that was handwritten. It's just on this piece of paper. And I'm not sure if you have recipes like that, but these are the kind of recipes that you really want to cherish. I almost want to laminate it. I probably should because it's already got some stains on it. But I really hope that you try this pie. It's so, so good. And just in honor of Mother's Day and all the mothers out there that are loving and kind, she was definitely one of those, and she impacted my life, and I will remember her. So stay with me and watch this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading new videos each week, and share these recipes with your friends and help me grow this channel. So let's get started. Okay, to a small saucepan, I have 1 cup of sugar and then 3 cups of strawberry jello, 3 tablespoons of strawberry jello, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm just going to mix. Make sure you get all that out. And I'm going to mix this sugar, jello, and cornstarch. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 cup of boiling water, and I'll just boil mine in one of these kettles, water kettles. But you want to add 1 cup of boiling water and stir, and then you want to turn on your heat to medium heat, and then you're going to stir until it comes to a boil. Then you're going to let it boil for 3 minutes, but I will show you what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to come to a boil, but you want it to be a rolling, heavy, strong boil, and let that boil for 3 minutes, but just keep stirring. Okay, so now that's a rolling boil. I set my timer for 3 minutes and I'm gonna let it go. Okay, the glaze is all done, and so what I have done is taken a container of strawberries, washed them, quartered them, and then I placed them into a baked pie shell, and now I'm going to take this glaze and pour over all my strawberries. All right, so I'm just going to take this glaze, and this glaze did cool for a little bit. It's not like steaming hot, but I'm going to pour this glaze all over, and then I'm going to cover this with saran wrap, put this in the refrigerator, and it needs to set for several hours. It's really almost best if you just let it set almost overnight, but you just want to just make sure that all the strawberries has a good amount of this glaze all over them. All right, so I actually just kind of press down my strawberries into the glaze and just kind of spread any kind of excess glaze just to make sure they're all nice and coated. Now I'll cover it with saran wrap and put it in my refrigerator. Okay, the strawberry pie is all done and it is beautiful, but I want to add some whipped cream, and I just took some heavy cream with a little bit of powdered sugar and whipped it, and then I put it in one of these piping bags, and then I'm just going to just pipe some rosettes all around the edges of the pie, and this just makes it pretty. It is so beautiful, and I cannot wait for you guys to try this pie. I hope that you do. It's just such a good pie, and it just, for me, it just has special meaning. And I'm just going to add a big rosette in the center, and there you go. Can you see how beautiful that is? Oh, it's delicious. So we've got to cut into this. Okay, so I've got to cut this. I almost hate to do it. It's so pretty. I'm just going to cut me a slice. Oh, And this crust is just a delicious flaky crust. I'll leave the recipe below and the link below for this crust. All right, let's see if I can get this to come out without all falling apart. I'm not sure about it. Oh, well, that did not come out very good, but that's okay. Do y'all ever have that happen to you? I really, really wish that I could have got a good piece, but hey, you know what? Even though it's a mess, I don't even care. I've got to have a bite. Listen. That might be a mess, but that is amazing. That is amazing. You know, sometimes that's the way life goes. Everything can't be perfect. And this brings back memories of my husband's sweet mama. That is so good. Regardless if it comes out good, it is delicious, so I hope that you give this a try. And I'm enjoying cooking for you today, and I will see you soon. So have a great day.